severe thunderstorm warning for central San Bernardino County in Southern California until 9:15 p.m. PDT. At 8:26 p.m. PDT, a severe thunderstorm was located 12 miles west of Ludlow, or 29 miles east of Daggett, moving northeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of central San Bernardino County. This includes Interstate 40 in California between mile markers 27 and 48. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. PDT for the following county: San Bernardino, California. Now for the